Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be showing you how to make meatballs with spaghetti. Very delicious, very yummy. But before we start, we have to chop our bread into pieces. After chopping the bread, we're going to add it into a bowl. We'll add into a bowl and add a little bit of water, and then we'll start smashing it. The bread has to be soft, very soft. The water, it will soak in the water, and then we smash it. You see, after smashing it, we are going to add our beef, chopped beef. See, we'll add the beef, add egg, and coconut spices and all that. So after that, this is our onion. So add our spring onion, pepper, onions, and salt. We're going to mix them together. You see, mix them together, and after that we're going to roll it like a ball. We will roll it like a ball. You see, we'll start molding it like a ball. Then after that, we are going to fry it. Guys, just sit back and relax and see how it goes, okay? Make sure you watch this video to the end. We're adding our vegetable oil. So cover it, and we have to turn the back for other side. So after that, we will be going to make our spaghetti, getting it ready. Once this one is ready, we'll move to our spaghetti. So sit back and see how it goes, okay?
For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. The road grows long, fatigue sets in, doubts arise, can I really win? Yet I remember why I started, resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy, won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering lights, can I really win? Yet I remember why I started, resolve renewed my spirit hearted. For though the struggle may be tough, journey will be enough to lead me to evergreen joy, a happiness that won't destroy. Through dark and light, ups and downs, weathering life's trials and frowns, I'll keep my eyes on the prize, evergreen joy, my heart's cry. For though the struggle may be tough, the journey